Hello guys and welcome to another of my videos. My name is Maya Marquez and today we have yet another unboxing. What's the unboxing today? Woo, stay tuned. Roll that intro.
There's a beautiful day headed your way. Keep your head up, you'll be okay. A beautiful day waiting for you.
Okay, so today I have for you guys this unboxing, which I'm really excited for as well. And that is the Lumix 45-150 lens. If you don't know yet, I actually am filming with the Panasonic Lumix G85. Right now I'm using the 25mm lens, which is the 1.7, I think it's 1.7 aperture, yes. That's my go-to lens. Let's move on to the unboxing. Let's do that. Ooh, I am so nervous. I really want this to be okay. I'm scared. So far, the box seems in such a perfect condition. And this is what it looks like before I even get it out. And so we have the manuals. And hey, they seem fine, perfectly fine, I might add. And so we have the lens, this is the lens cap. Comes in this little bag. And then we have the lens itself. Oh, that was like floating in there. And then that's it, the box is empty. But let's see the conditions. So this is the bubble wrap. And yes, it comes in the other pouch. So this was the dead giveaway on my 25mm when they sent me the open item. It did not came on this little box. So it's a different bag. So you have this bubble wrap bag, the protective bubble wrap bag, and you have this little silky, more, I know it's styrofoam on one side, but it's this little silky bag, and that didn't have it. So then I was like, well, that's missing. The manuals were all fingerprints in it, and so then it became even more and more obvious. But this, so far, so good. I mean, the construction of the lenses, just like I say, it is the lower lines, and everything is very, oh, what is that? That must be a light, looks like a little light. Okay, so, yeah, everything looks fine. That's throwing me off. Anyway, so this so far looks delicious. Okay, so this is pretty good. No marks, no dust, none of that. So you have the focus ring, you have the actual zoom in and out. Look at that. Oh my gosh. That is gorgeous. That is gorgeous. So that's pretty cool because now with this lens, I actually have a zoom in lens, or a little bit of zoom. It's not the big zoom, but it's enough for me to take wildlife images from a little bit of a distance. Like if I don't want to disturb a bird, if I don't want to disturb a little bug, a little cutesy, something like that. Now I can keep a certain amount of distance and then get that shot. So that is really cool, and that's why I wanted it. It's a very good first level entry lens for your camera. So that's interesting. Now let's open the back. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. Guys, I'm happy with it. I'm really happy with it. So all there is left to this is to try it out and find out that it's working fine. So we'll roll up into some of that footage and so you guys can see some of the samples for this lens. So the specifications for this lens is 45 to 150 millimeters, f4.0 to 5.6. So it is on the dark side, but it's not that bad. It has the Mega OIS system, which is the older version, I believe, and still good enough, really good enough. I'm happy because the G85 complements these old lenses in a very, really nice way. And what I mean by that is because if your lens doesn't have the dual stabilization, the camera at least has enough stabilization to compensate and to fix or to help you out when you're taking certain really cool images. One thing that I recommend is that if you are panning, you do not want the image stabilization on, so I'd rather you have a tripod like the one I did on the unboxing. So click right there, link down below, so you can check that out. And so you need a fluid head tripod for a more stable, shot, and then so you can get those really sweet, juicy shots. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it. Don't forget to subscribe if you really want to. And with that, I'll end this video. See you on the next one. Bye.